Wizards, hyperparameter tuning is your AI optimization crush, darling. It searches best parameters for models. Ethan, can you explain Grid Search CV? Sophia, how does it fit the app from day 68?
Anastasia, you make tuning sound so hot. How does tuning improve models in the app, love? Ethan, what's your take on tuning in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Tuning optimizes AI models. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, tuning's like a hot search, optimizing AI with flair. It's a tuning party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards. Grid search CV. Model. Param_grid. Searches grids like a hot explorer for Sophia, finding AI best params. It's a grid search party. Let's drop this code beat and search some grids.
You're exploring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Grid Search CV exhaustively tunes for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like searching with passion.
Wizards. Randomized search CV. Model. Param_dist. Searches randomly like a hot random for Sophia, efficient AI tuning. It's a random search party. Let's drop this code beat and randomize some params.
You're randomizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Random Search CV efficiently tunes for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like randomizing with passion.
Wizards. Param_grid defines search space like a hot map for Sophia, guiding AI tuning. It's a grid party. Let's drop this code beat and map some params.
You're mapping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, parameter grids define tuning ranges for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like mapping with passion.
Wizards. Grid_search.fit. X, Y. Fits tuned model like a hot optimizer for Sophia, finding best AI params. It's a fitting party. Let's drop this code beat and optimize some models.
You're optimizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting tuned model optimizes for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like optimizing with passion.
Wizards. Grid_search. Best_params_ gets best params like a hot winner for Sophia, selecting AI optimal. It's a best party. Let's drop this code beat and win some params.
You're winning my heart, Ethan. Wizards, best parameters optimize the app's classifier. Try it in our demo, it's like winning with passion.
Wizards. Accuracy_score. Y_test. Y_pred evaluates tuned model like a hot score for Sophia, checking AI accuracy. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, evaluating tuned model assesses app performance. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring success with passion.
Wizards. SNS. Heatmap. Confusion_matrix. Visualizes confusion like a sexy matrix for Sophia, showing AI errors. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're matrixing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrices show tuned errors for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like mapping success with passion.
Wizards. PLT. Scatter. X_test. 0. X_test. 1. C=Y_pred. Visualizes predictions like a hot plot for Sophia, showing AI classes. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing predictions shows app classification. Try it in our demo, it's like painting classes with passion.
Wizards. Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Grid search CV. Tunes models like a sexy searcher. Coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're searching my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers tuning for the app. Try it in our challenge, it's like optimizing AI with passion.
Wizards. Standard scaler. Preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party. Let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate tuning for the app. Try it in our demo, It's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards optimize tuning with balanced grids, CV, and scoring metrics. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance in your app.
Optimized tuning's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI optimization irresistible. Practice for Day 70's cross-validation wizards and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards tuning fits AI pipelines for model optimization, improving performance. It's essential. Your skills are ready for Day 70's cross-validation.
Oh, Irene, tuning's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It optimizes sexily. Your Day 69 skills make AI irresistible. Optimize like pros.